Wagwan viewers, wagwan subs, bless up. First and foremost, who don't know the vibes. Yeah, so subscribe if for your first time and give the video a like before watching. You see me? We are going to run off the intro video before we jump in and everything aside.
Just being honest, little about Talawa from Kingston Parish. True me never man them wonder if me in the closet, so I left them I wonder, you know, like Alice.
Right, my viewers, my subs, so what year Shenseea did attend at 97 Freestyle. You see me? Yeah, and she remix Crocodile Teeth rhythm and did a freestyle basically on the rhythm. You see me? The people them have it for say, oh, she flop on this and that. You get me? I don't know what you think, so we are going to talk about this today and comment in this comment section for say below. You see me? I will reason out upon that one. But as for me, as somebody sang already, we could expect no better, more than a remix. So I appreciate our bars, word for word, it have meaning, said you see me? But I guess people now, them just want the best of every time. Yeah guys, so up next, this brother here have a message to Andrew Holness. You don't know him. Nah, this him in a no way. But the other day a video got somebody has say SM mother and them find him quick. You see me? So this is awareness for better self said way. So the person message this to Mr. Holness.
Mr. Andrew Holness, I mean, they have to tell you about your nose big and how your head big and which part of your mother you feel up. Now they have for that. But me notice if a man tell you to suck your mother, fast is your find the address and then reach a station and get locked up. Well, my name Nigel not over. I live at Dunsany in Hot Seal, Mandeville, Manchester. Me want to work. Me have 5 subjects. Me I got maritime pre-college. Me have business studies and data incorporation. Me want to work. Can you find me and make me get a work, sir? We fit to my, we suitable to my qualification. The maths and the English. If you check me, me show you them. I better say you're not going to find me. And I better say this not going to go viral. But make me tell you if you suck your mother so fast it go viral. How fast you no find me. It's a work me want. Me suit on 26. I mean I want to live like Croft.
One of the latest updates over here, so guys, and at end of all of my videos, there's a live video with different type of drama, so enjoy this, please and thanks.
So I have to, you know?
Right.
You understand? So, but I only had 3 friends. DJ Hottie, DJ Dory, my mother, my sisters, you know? Siblings, I don't really, you know?
Right. Yeah.
Yeah. Quite person too. On the only comedy thing and the laugh thing.
And if they never tell us that you're a quiet person, why do we know that? Just because
yeah, but because listen to me, I know what is my
you understand me?
I know what is my job. I know what the people expect. When I come in front of the camera, I have to put everything aside. Even though if me and my DJ now quarrel, we have to put it aside when coming towards the audience, the people and them, because, you know, they expect something from me. And I, you know.
Really respect them. Them argument, them words that come from yourself, I really respect them power words. So these are some power words though. They must say the money the Chinese song. You have a Chinese song too?
Yeah, what you mean? It was a dream right now for me to perform in Dream Weekend, but it's not looking like I'm going to be able to come Dream Weekend. But anytime I reach in Dream Weekend, before I reach on the stage, I starting off the stage, I backstage, and I just singing. My father went to China, get bite by a spider. Then he started to talk Chinese. Then he see this girl and he like that. She come from way across India. That is how they create me. Oh God, your father was a Chinese. Mother was an Indian. Everywhere you go in the whole wide world, you get a language from. Pick up Jamaica every time.
What the bumbo clad? Are you singing a song there?
Yeah, man.
Where the bumbo clad?
Manala, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
Jesus.
Even yeah, I don't know if you know this one. Number 1, you're in, but number 2, everybody jamming your girl.
Don't continue. Yeah, man, put a vibe, man. Continue. Continue.
Hold on, let me continue. Number 1, you're in, but number 2, everybody jamming your girl. You know why I want to fuck she hard? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, man. But,
Different vocals from everybody else now, man, you know?
yeah. So at 10 o'clock, wait, know, right? Or 9 o'clock?
Yeah, man, but I like any vibes too.
We say we know you liking the vibe, but we know say a curfew time now. Say, you sure you're alright?
Yeah, man.
You sure you're alright?
Yeah, man. Safe,
All
man.
right.
Yeah,
But we don't want to get in, we don't want to get in the trouble, you know.
No.
So, you know, more try add one girl she dance for you, I want to know. Put on a vibes and a energy. How that sound?
You have an instrumental, eh?
No, man, you just do it right this summer. You just do it right this summer. Let's try to find a girl right, you know. Once you make an add right now. Yeah.
Alright. I go do something more coming from my album because I looking to drop 4 more singles, promote them fully 100%. And I dropping an album named Young Brothers Wull. It's a multi-genre album with Afro, dancehall, soca.
How many tracks?
15.
15 tracks?
Yeah, 15.
Okay, that's good.
And then I'm gonna start to do visuals from there. So I will do a unreleased tonight.
Yeah. Oh, what is it? You have Cash App?
Me?
Yeah.
Yes, I do. It's Young Brother. With the motorcycles, Young Brother.
Alright, type it and type it on the wall and then I pin it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, man.
That's it right there.
That's it.
We'll do an unreleased for them on the line there tonight. Yeah.
See, what if I think up what dollar sign young brother, right?
Trampoline. We have real
Well on the dollar sign young brother.
Yeah.
Y-U-N-G, right?
Yeah, B-R-E-D-D-E.
2D or 1D?
2D, double D-A.
Okay. See there.
And when you bounce and you cocky like a trampoline.
Look.
Real
Hold on.
like a magazine.
What, young brother, that's it, look. Look at that.
Yeah.
Alright, them people, send on our send fee. We like energy, the vibes.
Curl up there like a
breed people, please.
It's like you're born with freckles and your pussy pretty. Like a pack of fucking skittle, like a newborn baby mouth. Stand in a pull game action till you start walk like a cripple now. Walk with the back shot. Walk. That is God, the way you move in the back shot. That is it, the way you move in the back shot. That is it, the way you move in the back shot. Which part I go? Into the thick of it. What one? Into the thick of it. Oh God, then you take off. Then you stop. Then you watch man, you climb on top. And then you open your mouth and you long out your tongue. Watch me, my eyes and start to suck. Baby girl, I say, yes, you rock my world, my world, my world, my world. You rock my world, my girl, my world, my world. When you start to suck it, suck it, suck it, suck it, suck it, suck it. Your next step move like a puppet. Yeah.
Yeah, well, I do a girl. Lady, who shall want to come dance with him now? Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So sick. This bad. This, yeah. Yeah, Shan for you. Shan, for you hear those things that must like, get you crazy. Calm down. Yeah, I know I have a girl over here, whenever chat and laugh family, it's like she just like, whenever she hear about sucking and freaky stuff, it's like, it turn around, I don't know, but...
I don't know, I like to think of myself as the Trinidad Dexter Dabs.
Pussyclad.
Me! I'm a virgin!
Pussyclad.
You lift it up, drop it down, bring it up again. Lift it up, drop it down, bring it up again. Steve, you want? Show me your talent. Cause you buy she a house, buy she a car, buy she a ring, buy she a bra, bring on the moon, get she the star. 12 years you and the girl together, 12 years she fucking the neighbor. You and see your kid. Steam! No pretend. The neighbor balls in she mouth, she throw deep like pelican. You catch she the first time you she die, my friend. But when the baby born, the baby looking like the friend, you went see y'all wicked.
Y'all wicked. Pussy God. One of the people, commercial break. All a minute, commercial break.
New York City and everybody in the tri-state, get ready! When DJ Love and Buzz Nation brings you the Chat and Laugh Anniversary, New York. Sunday.
Over. Cause what? Cause when you bend over, what are you doing? What are you doing? You make my things stand firm like a soldier, and then you go on your knees and say a prayer call for Jehovah. Oh, you, Jai, Jana. No, around the world, everywhere I go, can't find another like you. No, he's a pro. The way how your body must be a Scorpio. She said, why? You said, I say you're different. Cock it up, bring it up, bend it up, slap it up. This shit 10 wrong, 3 wrongs, that's not enough. You're pretty like Tinkerbell, you a pixie dust, 10 million. Come make me dial it up now. Tell me the number you playing, my darling. When we go meet up again.
But people, him cash up the rightness of people. Where you can send, on a send. What you can send for him. Young brother, him cash up right there, so. For him cash up right there, so. You understand me? And question then, right? Back to your musical reading, like, what if you get a chance now to do a collab with all the Jamaican artists?
Well, right now, Savage.
Like Savage.
He have an album coming, I will be on the album.
Yeah, that's good.
I have something in progress with Lali right now.
Yeah, Lali?
Yeah. On a rhythm to come with Intense and Macadamon and a whole other heap of artists Movado, probably as well. You know? You know, I just, thanking the Most High for everything because, you understand, I never really thought, because when people ask me, okay, young brother, who is your idol? I just say, I never had anybody to look up to. I always look up to myself because I always surprise myself. You know?
Okay.
I always surprise myself, so I always saying, yeah, boy. Yeah, I could do it. You know? So, yeah.
Wait,
I could get unreleased so far, Savage Rhythm.
Yeah, me,
Yeah, we're doing. You need love. You need love. I need love. You need love. We need love. All are we love. You need love. You need love. You need love. You need love. La 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 love. Cocky fly down like dove from above. Make it go up, then swing it back wrong. Get dirty with the things and it down in your mouth. La 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 la. Now me she likes to say my cocky, yeah she idol. Big snake in my pants long like a python. Big wave man I sail the ocean.